Okay, so I've created a spreadsheet. I'm going to show it to you here, show you how to get to it uh, and use it in Teams. So you go to the website development channel, which at some point we may want to make a separate team, but right now it's fine. You need to go to SharePoint. So if it doesn't show up on top, and that'll just depend on how wide your screen is and what size font you're using, go to Open in SharePoint. So that's going to open your browser, whatever your default browser is. It's called the COVID-19 Support Team Resource List. You can see it's an Excel spreadsheet. So click on that, and this is a place where we can all work on together. And I'm going to tell you, for purposes of editing, this is a browser version of Excel. It doesn't have everything that I'm used to using, at least. So my suggestion, if you want to edit it, is to open in your own desktop app. But you can certainly edit it in here. And you'll figure that out. But it works much better if you just open in your desktop app. So now I'm going to open up. Now it's in my desk. This is my own desktop. Anything I do here is going to automatically be saved to the shared copy. That's why I think this my save icon now has this circle or there's two arrows on it. So I started to add the Schoology help page in a previous attempt to come up with a video. Anyway, and you'll see what I've done here is basically I've pulled down. So in this column, I've created 500 rows that are all pre-formatted. You will choose under review, approved, rejected, posted to website. Okay. Here's an example of YouTube. I'm showing it as approved because I know you want the ones that are posted to be read. So when you go over here and say, oh, no, YouTube's been posted to the website, it changes automatically. All right. So hopefully the light red, dark red on the light red is fine. I know Reza talked about changing that color. I could do that, but I think this should probably be fine. So here, the only places where you actually have to type is we're going to paste the URLs in here. You're going to put down whatever they are, the name of the application, the title of an article if it's an article. Now here's another set of application types. Now if you want me to add more application types to this list, I will do it. They are over here, and it can be added. It doesn't have to be in alphabetical order, but you do have to change the size of the range that has been saved if you do that. So if you just tell me what you want, I'll do it for you. Nobody has to mess around with it if they don't want to. And here I've basically created target grade level. I just did elementary, middle, high. And then I copied the subjects directly from the website. Now I know we want to break out natural science. I don't know if we want to break out math or anything else, but I can do that. I just like you to tell me where you want to do it. I didn't want to make any assumptions. And then there's a space over here for a description where I assume Kaylee and Sydney will write down descriptions of what these things are. So these are all true false choices. So since this help page this is K to 12, so this is true for all of them. But you don't have to go through each one for every one you add. You can just do the first one, and then if they're all true, or even if they're mostly true, you can just do a fill right, which is Control R on a Windows machine. And if it turns out, well, this isn't actually applicable for special ed, which it might not be, put in false. I don't think it wouldn't be, but you can change them. Okay, so if they're mostly one way, and you don't want to bother to do each one individually, that's what you do. So I'm going to save this, and then I'm going to close. Well, so I'm going to close this. All I did, before I close it, I'll just show you one thing. So resume editing here. Yeah, we want to do that. No, I want to be on the desktop. I guess resume editing here just means back in SharePoint. So no, I'm not interested in you. I want to be here. So here's another one. Okay, so Schoology K-12 packages, whatever that says, is note that your school or district may provide you a Schoology account. If you do not have one, you can sign up for a free account. Okay. So that's sort of another type of, it's not, I don't want the period. Ay, ay, ay. So copy that, just go to the spreadsheet. Hello, spreadsheet, there we are. Paste it in. Yeah, gotta fix that formatting. It's supposed to be up there. Whoa, that wasn't what I wanted to do, but anyway, okay, it works. Don't know why it's not that color. So this is Schoology registration, I guess is what it is. So I'll put learning management system. If you want to call it, change it. Again, we can do that. It's good for all grades. And again, true here. You want to go all the way over to the right. Oops, no, I didn't want to fill down. I wanted to fill right, but okay, well, it did it anyway. So that's it. And then Schoology help page is posted to website, so it's pink. Schoology registration, posted to website, so it's pink. Save it, close it. Didn't want to be there anyway. I don't really want to do this. I just want to close it. So let's just close it up. Now if I open it up, all the stuff I added is there. So that's a spreadsheet, and it is in the website development channel of Teams. And as I said, all you got to do is go down to SharePoint and open it up. And I advise you to save it to your own desktop and work on there. And I wouldn't really work in the SharePoint version, but that's up to you. And that's it.